Hi everybody, so I was just going to make a quick video in case like some of y'all haven't used like some of these templates that are like pre-made before. There's like a few tricks that can be helpful. So for example, I clicked on this one, dressed up winter animals, because I want to change this slide, which I felt like was like a little dull and gray, even though I like the snowflakes in the background. So I opened this up just by clicking here. Opens in a new tab for me. I can scroll through and look at all of my options. It takes a little longer to load than maybe a normal thing because it's got all of these like different graphics to load. So I can scroll through, look at my options. The nice thing about a lot of these is that all the little like characters and things are removable. So if you're like, man, I really love this like snow background and I want that, but I don't want like the little characters in it, you can always like go and grab, you know, the slide that you like the background of, and then you can just like drag over everything. It'll highlight everything for you. You hit delete and it's all gone. You got a blank slide with the background you want. Control Z there just to undo everything. But I like this slide, I think, so I'm going to use this one. So I just click on the slide over here, Control C to copy the whole thing. I'll come back over here, I'll click in between the slides or wherever I've got room, right? And then Control V to paste the whole thing. Sometimes that doesn't work because again, like all the graphics and everything slows Google Slides down a lot. So if it's like not coming up, doesn't look like it's to do anything after I've given it a minute, I'll go ahead and right click and just click paste. Do not click paste without formatting, because then it'll just give you like a blank white slide with text on it. So you want to do regular paste. There's our slide. The thing that you want to make sure you do is not match styles in this presentation, because that might again clear out all the formatting. You want to do keep original styles. So as soon as I do that, you can see it keeps everything exactly the same way. I can go through and change all these things. One thing that I like to make note of is the fonts that they use, just to sort of like keep it looking nice. So it looks like they've got Caveat, Brush, and then Quicksand. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and clear out all of the like example things that they had in here, just by like dragging my like held down mouse over these things. Delete. I'll keep my little critters there. I don't know if they'll stay in that position, but I always have the chance to move them around. So now I'm gonna take my text that's over here, and one of the things that sometimes works is I can click on the whole box and Control X to cut, Control V to paste. Didn't work this time. So sometimes if you like cut and paste the whole thing, it'll go ahead and change that text to the font that's on this slide for you. Doesn't look like it worked this time, but I can always, you know, because I made note of it, Control All, go in here and find Quicksand. Let's see, there it is. And then I can mess with all of the things there. One of the things too is I had this highlighted it and it changed the color of it. And so if I go up here and look, the theme, these are all the colors that this slide template actually uses. So I can pick any one of these and know like, oh, okay, that's gonna like for the most part match really well with my slide. I don't have to go through and like look at other shades of blue, for example, and think like, oh man, does this match? Does it not? I don't know about y'all, but I'm not great with color matching, so I'm just going to pick one of the ones from the theme. I want it to be kind of dark so people can see it. Actually, I'm going to go ahead and change all of the font to that dark blue color. And then, you know, for the title up here, I wanted that. Okay, so I know what I'm going to say up here. Alright, so now I can go through and, you know, do all of the things that I want to do to make my slide look a little nicer, but I just wanted to show you like how you can keep that background you want, how to like keep the formatting or, you know, the fonts or whatever, how to find those like themed colors, and you can use that for anything, right? So text color, highlighting, filling color, it shows up on almost anything. And then of course how you can like remove any of these little graphics if you just like the background. Alright, thanks for watching. Hope this is helpful.